In this video, we will discuss the top 7 best RV solar kit. So let's get started. Number 7. REZY 100 watts. REZY is one of the most well-known companies when it comes to portable solar power, so it should be no surprise that they are our pick for the best solar system for RV. Not only are these panels amazingly efficient, but they're also sold with everything you need if you've never owned solar panels before. These 100-watt monocrystalline solar panels are incredibly lightweight. A lot of solar panel setups can buy bulky or require heavy-duty equipment to install. Too much extra weight can negatively affect your driving experience and the suspension of your RV. At less than 20 pounds, the REZY panels are ideal for campers. Number 6. Sooner Power 12V. This adjustable solar panel comes with a mounting bracket that can rotate and tilt. There's a bright LED indicator light to let you know the status of your panel. It will switch between solid and flashing and red and green. The frame of the unit is built out of durable aluminum and has tempered glass over the surface of the panel. This helps the unit to be maintenance-free and safe for outdoor use. The charging algorithm for this solar panel is optimized to produce 10 to 20% more power than other solar panels. It has a 3-stage charging system to make it more efficient. The entire unit is IP67 waterproof to make it durable for more extreme outdoor use. Number 5. ecoworthy 12V solar panel. This 12V solar panel kit comes in 5, 10, and 25 watt options. You can hook these panels up for a single-use 12V system, or connect them to a series of panels for a 24V power system. You can mount these panels on a camper van, caravan, house, boat, and more. Aircraft sealant is used around the junction box for a safe and waterproof system. The dimensions of the panels are 20.5 inches long by 14.4 inches wide and 0.7 inches high. You'll find that these panels are easy to install. They come pre-attached with 3-foot wires with bare ends. They also have pre-drilled holes for fast mounting. These panels are also lightweight at just 4.85 pounds. Number 4. gopower 120 watt. Our honorable mention is made by gopower. This is an excellent option for travelers thanks to the panel's many features and this kit's included pieces. It's the only product on our list that has battery clamps, which is an incredibly handy feature when working with 12V batteries. It only takes minutes to set up this product, which is really convenient for customers using it on the go. This kit comes with everything you need for setup and installation, but it is the panel's design that makes it quick and easy to use. The quick setup also doesn't compromise on features. Number 3. Jackery Solar Saga 100 watt. This Explorer solar station comes in 160, 240, 500, and 1000 watt power stations. The solar panels do not require installation, as they temporarily stand on the included legs. An LED indicator light, USB-A, USB-C, and DC ports are on the back of the solar panel. The ports come with overpower protection, surge protection, and short circuit protection. What's nice about these solar panels is that they don't require installation. You can take them anywhere on your RV adventures and have power production. They also come pre-wired for easy plug and charge functionality with all of your devices. Number 2. Windy Nation 100 watt. Windy Nation offers a 100 watt, 12-volt solar panel kit that is great for boondockers who don't use a lot of power. The kit includes one panel with a power output of 100 watts, a 20-amp PWM charge controller, for Z brackets for mounting, cabling, and solar connectors. It also includes a 100 amp-hour absorbed glass matte lead-acid battery. According to Windy Nation, this panel will produce 3.5 kilowatt-hour of electricity per day. That isn't a lot, but the charge controller included is able to handle up to 4 100-watt panels, so you can expand the system in the future. This kit's great online reviews and included equipment are what make it our best overall runner-up RV solar kit. Number 1. hqst 100 watt. The hqst 100-watt polycrystalline solar panel kit is a great RV solar starter kit. It includes one 100-watt panel, a PWM charge controller, connector cables, and Z brackets for mounting. You can purchase the kit with either a 10A or 20A charge controller, but the 20A charger will bump up the price a little bit.